how to avoid common trademark registration pitfalls. Trademark registration pitfalls happens to a lot of people when they want to register the trademark. And that's why it's important to just to think about some of these issues so you can avoid them in your registration of your trademark journey. The first one is failing to do a comprehensive search. It's a big oversight for a lot of people. People might not value the comprehensive search, but it really saves you a lot of heartache and pain. If you do a comprehensive search, you're going to see if someone has a name like yours or a similar name, and you can just avoid that altogether and come up with a different name. Another issue that happens with trademark registration is failing to put accurate information that describes the goods and services that you're offering. Trademarks are not just about a name, but it also relates to the goods and services that you are offering to the public. You need to have a name, but identify it with the accurate services or goods that you are offering or will be offering in the near future. Additionally, having the wrong ownership information attached. Are you registering you as the owner? Are you registering your LLC as the owner? Making sure that information matches in what you're providing to the USPTO is imperative to your success and helping the trademark go down the registration process. Another important thing that you need to think about when you're trying to have a successful registration of your mark is having an accurate specimen. Now, specimen is some item that shows that you're using your mark in a way that proves that you are actually using the trademark. For example, if you're selling shirts, right? You want to make sure that your specimen clearly identifies the logo or the name and whatever additional items that the USPTO requires to show that you are having the mark in use. So a clothing item will be very different from a service provider. So making sure that you are following with the USPTO's guidelines for specimens, very important because you can get rejected for something silly like proof of the mark. Also, it's very important for you to realize that you just registering your mark is only half the battle. You're going to need ongoing support from someone to make sure that your mark is enforced. Your trademark is only as powerful as the enforcement of the mark. If your mark is not being enforced, is not used to take other marks down, then your mark really has no power. Make sure that you are enforcing your mark against others and forcing others to take their marks down is imperative because you want to remove yourself from brand delusion. Making sure that you are maintaining your mark. Your trademark is registered, yes, but you have to keep up with the registration process even after so that you can maintain your mark. Yes, there might be additional fees. There are other things you're going to have to do with USPTO after the mark is registered to keep your trademark viable. It's important because, some people go out of business, but they still want to keep their name. Those names can be important because even if you go out of your business, if your name is a great name, keep your mark open. Make sure you're paying the fees. Make sure you're doing what's necessary because you could sell the name of your business to someone else without even selling the business. So make sure you're following these steps to keep your trademark and remain profitable, your brand. Thanks so much. Bye.